So in the last lecture, we have already discussed about need of entertainment. Let's discuss something about folk theatre, puppetry. Wooden puppets, also known as Katputli, remain of clay dolls, have been found in the excavation, means khudai, of archaeological sites of Harappa civilization, as well as sites in Egypt and Greece. It is also possible that they were used as puppets. In ancient India, materials like wood, wool, leather, horns, and ivory were used to make puppets. The Katputli, a traditional art of puppetry in India, has two styles. One that developed in Rajasthan and the other in southern regions of India. The role of narrator, known as Sutradhara, is very important or crucial in the success of Katputli stage show. The stage for this puppetry show is quite small, but the puppeteers use light and sound effects in an genius way. Shadow puppets, hand puppets, wooden puppets, and string puppets are used in Katputli shows. Dashavatra Theatre. Dashavatra is a part of folk theatre in Maharashtra. The stories presented in these shows are based on the Hindu religion philosophy of Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Ram, Krishna, Buddha, and Kalki. The method of acting, makeup, costumes in Dashavatra shows is set by the tradition. The show is mostly musical, but sometimes there may be few spontaneous dialects. The characters representing gods use wooden masks. On earthen pots of curds, followed by Aarti singing praises to the god. In the 18th century, Shyamji Nayak Kale started a fad of Dashavatra artists which used to perform all over the country. Vishnu Bhave, the pioneer, means perfect of Marathi theatre, staged mythological plays by introducing some modifications, means changes in the Dashavatra style. Number 3, bhajan. We all are aware about it because of the movies. Singing devotional song. To sing song in praise of God and chanting God's names accompanied by instrument like tal, mridangam, pakhavaj is known as bhajan. There are types of bhajan such as chakri bhajan and song bhajan. Chakri bhajan. Devotees keep moving in circular fashion and sing without any break. Song bhajan, या songi bhajan. The singer actors act as devotees and deliver dialogues in the form of devotional songs. Tukudoji Maharaj introduced a new form of bhajan known as Khanjiri Bhajan. In North India, the bhajan composed by Sant Tulsi Das in the great poet Surdas, Sant Mirabai, and Sant Kabir are very popular. Number 4. Kirtan. Traditionally, Narad Muni is supposed to be the founder of the Kirtana tradition. Sant Namdev is known as the first Kirtankar of Maharashtra. The Kirtankar is also known as Haridas or Kathe Karaibu, and he has to dress in a very traditional way. He needs to train himself in oratory, singing, musical instruments, dance, and humor. He needs to be very well performed. Kirtan is performed by male or in the pursuit of a temple.